Hello and welcome to a new AI Accredited video. Today we're exploring Leonardo.AI new interface and present models. Since Leonardo's first launch in 2023, it has gone under many revamps to make the interface simpler, more intuitive, and to include more and more tools in every update. The new fresh face to Leonardo brings a lot of new tools and improvement to the image generation process, as well as new and improved preset models that fit an art style in particular. Each present model is better for an art type, so now you can choose a model that will give you the best results without having to experiment with every model and wasting so many tokens in the process. In the main welcome page, we have direct access to tools like the Real Canvas, Real-Time Generation, Motion, Image Creation, Upscaler, Canvas Editor, and more. Below the tool access, we have a selection of guides featured for easy access to the new capabilities of Leonardo, such as the Upscaler, Style Reference, Character Reference, and Content Reference. And below it is the Community Feed Gallery, where you can see the most recent community creations featured. You can filter them by category or by the most recent or trending ones. The left sidebar has undergone some minor changes too, with access to the same tools as the main welcome page and other options under the advanced menu, such as the fine-tune models, training and datasets, and the texture generation tool, still under alpha state. In the image creation section, we have some new changes to the interface to integrate new tools into the mix. In the prompt bar, we have the image guidance section with different options available depending on the preset model selected, like the image-to-image feature, style reference, content reference, character reference, depth to image, edge to image, pose to image, and text image input. And then we have the elements to give that extra special look to your images. There's a wide variety of elements available for you to use and combine up to 4 elements at a time when creating an image. You can also check the checkbox to see only the available elements with your selected preset model. Then we have the model preset selection menu. Here you can see the different preset models available to date. There are 13 available models, each one with a different output. There are also the different pipelines you can use for each model. When you hover over the different presets, you'll see a brief description of what's the best use for that preset. Back to the image creation interface, below the model preset menu, we have the preset style or pipeline. Depending on the preset model selected, there will be different styles available. Below the style menu is the contrast menu. The available range goes from low to high. Then you have the image generation mode. You can choose between fast generations with an overall less quality and the quality generation that takes a little bit more time to generate but with a much more beautiful and quality composition. Below it, you can find the image dimension and aspect ratio menu. Here you can select the best aspect ratio for your image and the overall size of the file. If you click the More button, you'll find a slider and a visual of the aspect ratio, as well as some presets for different social media platforms and devices. Next, you'll find the number of images you want to generate per prompt. The default number is 4, but you can select up to 8 images, and then there is the private mode switch, so you can manage all of your creations privately without having them featured or shown in the community feed. If you are more familiar with the old interface and the way to create images, you can toggle the legacy mode switch on in the top right corner and access the old image creation interface. And that's it, guys. Hope you liked the tour around the new interface. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.